Shedding pets have met their match with Bissell's stick and handheld vacuum from the Bolt Lithium Pet series. Created specifically for homes with animals, it easily picks up fur from carpets, rugs, and bare floors. The lithium-ion battery provides powerful, lasting suction and cordless freedom. Swerve swivel steering and a folding handle let you glide around and under furniture. It quickly converts to a handheld vacuum for faster pickups. With a pet hair cleaning nozzle that's designed to safely remove embedded hair from upholstery. And a scoop and sweep tool that's perfect for picking up spilled pet food and cat litter. Clean turn filtration and an extra large dirt bin mean less maintenance. And the rapid charging station conveniently stores the unit and tools between uses. Make cleaning up after pets effortless and efficient with the Bissell Bolt Lithium Pet 2-in-1 Vacuum.